Hey friends, welcome to today's video. Today, I'm going to share a story that's not just about one person, but about anyone who's ever fallen, broken down, and then picked themselves up and moved forward. It's a story about change, self-discovery, and a path full of struggles where stopping was never an option. The story begins in a small village where life was really simple. But somewhere deep inside, there was always a small dream. A dream to become a doctor. At that time, it didn't feel real. It felt too big for someone coming from such a small place. No big dreams, no huge hopes. Just a simple life, where every day was a struggle in itself. A middle-class family, where every expense was thought through carefully. Money was tight, but values and principles were strong. Mom always taught that we should live honestly and truthfully, and Dad used to say hard work is what moves you forward. Childhood was simple. Playing, hanging out with friends, going to school. But slowly, reality started sinking in. When paying school fees became tough, when waiting to buy books was a thing, that's when the first realization hit that things were different. But at that age, understanding all this wasn't easy. When even basic school fees felt heavy, thinking about preparing for exams like NEET felt almost impossible. Books were expensive, guidance was missing. And slowly, that dream of becoming a doctor started fading. School was going on, but focus wasn't strong. The environment around didn't encourage serious study. Many times, the mind wandered, hanging out with friends, wasting time. These became habits. And that's when life started heading down a path with no clear direction. Family always wanted something better, but clarity inside was missing. Questions like, what do I want to become, or what should I do, kept coming up, but answers were nowhere. Time passed, and gradually performance dropped. Results got worse, and confidence kept fading. It reached a point where even self-belief was low. Every time someone asked what's next, there was no answer. Inside, there was a fear that life might just slip away like this. But at that time, there was no clear direction, and that was the biggest problem. Then came a moment when life hit harder. That's when one clear thought came. If I don't fight for my dream of becoming a doctor now, I might lose it forever. And that day, preparation didn't just start. It became a mission. A moment that forced a rethink. If I don't get it together now, maybe I never will. Everything felt like it was falling apart. Friends were moving ahead, some had found their path, but here I was, not knowing what to do. Slowly, the realization came that if life was going to change, something different had to be done. Just thinking won't cut it. Action was needed. But action wasn't easy either, because habits were already set. The comfort zone was so strong that stepping out felt impossible. But somewhere inside, a voice kept saying life could be more than this. That voice slowly grew louder. Small efforts began, trying to bring some discipline, managing time better, and most importantly, trying to believe in myself again. The story was slowly turning toward a new chapter. Change doesn't happen in a day, but the beginning was there. Every day, trying to get a little better. Falling down many times, doubting if this was the right path. But still, the effort kept going. During this time, study started getting serious. What once felt like a burden began to feel like an opportunity, a chance to give life a new direction. But the journey was tough. Motivation faded many times. Self-doubt crept in. Still, one thing had changed. The mindset. Giving up wasn't an option anymore. It was clear that consistency was the key to achieving anything, and that's what was slowly changing life. Now it was time to take a big step to completely change myself. What that step would be wasn't clear yet. All I knew was that something different had to be done, something that could give life a new identity. The story moves to a point where the internal battle started showing outwardly. Change had begun, but the road ahead was long. Changing yourself isn't as easy as it sounds. Every day was a challenge, fighting with yourself, fighting old habits. Gradually, the daily routine changed. Waking up late was normal before. Now there was an effort to start the day early. It was tough at first. Many times I wanted to turn off the alarm and sleep again, many times wondering what the point was. But that inner voice kept saying, if I don't change now, I never will. And that's where the story leveled up. Because now, it wasn't just thoughts, but actions too. The approach to studying changed completely. Books that used to open only during exams now became a daily habit. Focusing was tough in the beginning, but slowly the mind started cooperating. Concepts began to make sense, and confidence started creeping back. But the real struggle was still ahead. The family's financial situation was still the same. Many times, along with studies, other responsibilities had to be handled. Household chores, small jobs to earn money. None of it was easy, but this phase made me stronger from inside. Life was no longer just about me. Responsibilities became real. It became clear that if I wanted to change, it wasn't just for myself, but for the whole family. There were moments when I felt like giving up. Times when it felt like this wasn't possible. When it seemed maybe this was just my fate. But every time, something happened that made me stand up again. Sometimes my mom's words would come to mind. Sometimes my dad's hard work would show up in front of me. That became my motivation again. Slowly, results began to show. Improvement in studies, small achievements started coming, and those little wins boosted my confidence. But the real turning point was yet to come. One day, life gave a big opportunity, a chance that could change everything, but it wasn't as easy as it sounded. There was risk, uncertainty. The situation was, either play safe or take a risk and try something big. That's when a big decision was made. To leave the comfort zone, to take the risk, to believe in myself. It wasn't an easy decision. People around doubted it too. Many said this path wasn't right, but this time, the inner voice was stronger. Life was about to change completely. New place, new environment, new challenges, everything was new. The beginning was tough. Many times I thought maybe I made a mistake, but going back wasn't an option now. Every day brought a new lesson. Every challenge taught something new. Slowly, skills developed, understanding grew, and most importantly, self-belief got stronger. Now the story had reached a point where looking back didn't feel right, because what lay ahead was way better than before. This was the phase where a confused person was slowly learning to walk confidently on their own path. Now the story had reached a stage where hard work was finally paying off. The one who was once confused and lost was now gaining clarity. Every day had a purpose. Every action had a reason. The new place and environment completely changed my mindset. Here, people dreamed big and worked day and night to make those dreams come true. At first, it was intimidating, but gradually, that became my inspiration. The routine was way more disciplined now. Waking up early, working on goals, trying every day to be a little better. It became a habit. But that didn't mean everything was easy. Failures came many times. Many nights I wondered why results weren't showing despite so much effort. Sleepless nights where the mind kept asking, "Am I on the right path?" But the real turning point came here. One day, a small opportunity came along that changed everything. It was small, but had huge potential. The question was, should I take this chance or stick to the safe path? This time, the decision was quick. I took the risk. The start was tiny. Few resources, not much experience. But one thing was different, a hunger to learn. Days went by learning new things. Mistakes happened, wrong decisions made. But every mistake taught something. Understanding grew. Confidence grew. The story was moving to a new level. Where before it was just survival, now it was about growth. Small wins started coming. People began to notice something was changing, but true success was still far away. Then life tested me again. A phase where everything felt stuck. What I had worked so hard for seemed unstable. Doubts returned. But this time, the reaction was different. Giving up wasn't even a thought. I tried to understand the situation, analyzed problems, found solutions. Slowly, things got back on track. That's when real growth happened. Not just skills, but mindset became strong. Challenges weren't scary anymore. I had the confidence to face them. And then the day came. The result that changed everything. The moment when all the struggles, sleepless nights, and sacrifices finally paid off. The dream of becoming a doctor became reality. Wearing that white coat for the first time, it wasn't just success. It was a new identity. When for the first time, I felt the hard work was really paying off. That moment when I looked at myself and thought, yeah, the change has happened. Financial condition improved, family responsibilities eased, and most importantly, self-belief was fully back. The story had reached a point where people began to look up to me. Those who once doubted now asked, "How did you do it?" But deep down, I knew this journey wasn't over. Because real success isn't a single point. It's a continuous process. Now the story was at a stage where everything had changed. But the person inside was still the same one who had faced struggles. The only difference was the mindset had changed. The perspective had shifted. And most importantly, self-belief was stronger than ever. Stability came into life. Work was growing, opportunities were increasing, and recognition was building. People didn't just know my name. They started understanding the journey that brought me here. But the real story doesn't end here. Because reaching the peak is one thing, and staying there is a whole different challenge. Responsibilities increased. Expectations grew. Every decision had to be made carefully, because now it wasn't just about me, but about many others' hopes too. That's when life taught me again that growth never stops. Now the focus wasn't just success, but consistency. Trying to improve every day, learning something new from every situation. All of this became part of who I was, and that's when true maturity arrived. Small things didn't bother me anymore. Failures didn't scare me, because I knew every failure comes with a lesson. Now the story was about someone who wasn't just an inspiration for themselves, but for others too. Many started coming for advice, sharing their problems. And that's when I realized this journey wasn't just about me. If your story can give someone else the strength to move forward, there's no bigger achievement. Now, my purpose in life was clear. Not just for myself, but to do something for others too. Slowly, this thinking turned into actions, helping people, sharing experiences, showing that no matter how tough things get, if you're determined, everything can change. Looking back now, I remember that small village, the struggles, those moments when it felt like nothing would ever happen. But today, all of that is my strength. And maybe that's the biggest truth of life. The things that break us are the same things that make us strongest. So friends, if there's one thing to take away from this whole story, it's this. Change doesn't come from outside. It always starts from within. When you start believing in yourself, when you begin to challenge your limits, that's when real transformation begins. No journey is easy. Every path has struggles. Every step has challenges. But the difference is only who stops and who decides to keep going. If you're going through a tough time right now, if you feel stuck in life, just remember one thing. This is not the end. It's just a phase. And after every phase, a new chapter always comes. All you need is one decision, the decision to change yourself. Because when you change, your whole world changes. And maybe one day, your story will inspire someone else too. So friends, if you liked this story, if you saw yourself in it, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video with another new story. Until then, keep growing, keep hustling, and never stop believing in yourself.